give them specific projects to do. You're just twiddling. This is my hometown in Chester, Mass.
好了，这小块做好了，我们量这战争透明玻璃，然后做这个外形。
Okay, so he's pretty happy with this is the process where he's adding the color. So that's quite a process. And now he's going to do his final gather and then he'll start designing the plate.
现在大家看这个表面的灰色和绿色，里面的图案只有把盘打开以后才能看见。
So you can't really see the design yet until the plate actually gets opened up. So then you can see the colors as they stand right now, the gray and the blue and the red. So this was an old electric trolley bridge, and the local ladies decided that they didn't want to have it torn down, and so they kept it as a bridge of flowers. They planted perennials and annuals. So it's that whole sustainability concept. And this is the Deerfield River, which divides the town of Shelburne to Cumberland and becomes the village of Cumberland Hall.
Are these books available?
Yes, those are available for purchase. Yeah. We actually have just these 3 books, so we sell them through the glass shop or through our little
And where is the glass shop?
right up here,
Oh.
the gallery. Yeah.
我们有这样的一种透明玻璃，然后我们让里面小泡画一画，然后就开始往里吹空气。
So he's waiting, he's done this final gather, and he's going to wait for the bubbles to pop or to remove any large ones.
Yeah.
So what is that thing? Is that paper you said?
You know, that's newspaper.
Newspaper.
Actually. It's very interesting, and the young man that came from my hometown, he was using sort of a wooden spoon type
Yep.
instrument that allowed him to shape the piece that he was making, but John May felt that this gave him, you know, more flexibility in terms of being able to feel the piece and shape it.
Wow.
So it's just layers and layers of newspaper, wetted newspaper.
And it doesn't ignite.
It doesn't,
it's wet.
only once, and we had a fire in here with the newspaper.
Wow.
我们在后面压到痕迹，forward 就从痕迹把它打下来。
So now this is the process of necking the piece, because eventually they have to do what they call a transfer, where they're going to disengage the piece from the primary blowpipe and connect it with the secondary blowpipe so they can actually open up the piece where it becomes a plate.
好。
Gravity of work. It's quite heavy.
She said gathered. Pulling in other material to make it bigger.
Yeah, it's about 2.5 kg.
No, they just let the gravity pull it down. He did do
We can only make
one
about
more.
2 pieces a day, and really that's all we want to do. Because it holds about 8 kg of transparent glass, and that's enough to do 2 pieces, and then plus a little bit of, you know, Christmas bulbs or flowers that
好，小梁，整零底儿吧，两边两啊。买我们这个痕迹压深一点。
to make sure that this necking process, that the indentation is deep enough, so that when he does the transfer,
He can pop it off.
transfer cleanly. You know, it's funny because growing up with glass blowing in my hometown, they did it out of an old storage area, and similarly, like we have the